The Tesla Pi phone, anticipated for release in 2025, is generating significant interest due to its innovative features and specifications. The device is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels, providing vibrant and sharp visuals. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by a custom Tesla-designed processor, possibly the Snapdragon 898 Plus 5G, paired with 10 GB or 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Storage options are projected to range from 256 GB to 1 TB, accommodating extensive data and media. Photography enthusiasts may appreciate the triple rear camera setup, each with a 50MP sensor, complemented by a 40MP front-facing camera, aiming to deliver high-quality imaging capabilities. Connectivity features are set to include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, dual-band, Bluetooth 5.0, and support for 5G networks, ensuring fast and reliable connections. The device is also expected to support satellite internet access via SpaceX's Starlink, providing global coverage even in remote areas. Integration with Neuralink technology could allow for advanced user interactions, potentially enabling control via brain-computer interfaces. Additionally, the Tesla Pi phone is rumored to include solar charging capabilities, leveraging Tesla's expertise in renewable energy and seamless integration with Tesla vehicles, allowing users to control car features directly from the device. The operating system is speculated to be a custom Tesla OS, optimized for integration with Tesla's ecosystem. Biometric security features, such as fingerprint and facial recognition, along with a robust 7,100 mAh battery, are also anticipated. Pricing is estimated to range between $800 and $1,500, depending on storage and features, making it a competitive offering in the premium smartphone market.